Maybe I should have got you mac and cheese. Here, let me see. Here, say See? Just open your mouth, because don't eat that. Give it here. It's dirty. Thank you.
Kids, you shouldn't copy teachers.
You're excited. Boy.
3 days later.
What's up, YouTube? It's Sierra, and today I have another video for you guys. Right now, I'm actually dropping the kids off at school. Me and Legacy have some errands to run this morning. Well, I'm actually go back home though, so I can like freshen up a bit. Hold on. There I go. Have a good day. Bye.
Bye. Bye,
Oh, still tired, but once I get home and take my shower and do my morning routine and everything, I'm gonna wake up, you know. But right now I'm still tired, so I'll get back to y'all in a little bit.
A few moments later.
So y'all, we are really surviving a storm right now. Like, it is really a whole snowstorm
right now.
And I have to go grocery shopping. We don't have anything to eat or drink at home. Well, we do, but you know, we can get over and get it this way. So yeah, y'all, we is surviving a snowstorm. Cheers, you still want to go grocery shopping? We gonna get through it though. We gonna get through it. So we just left Sam's. We got all the drinks. So now we have to go to Walmart to get the rest of the groceries. So yeah, y'all, we'll see y'all at Walmart. You tired? Well, why do he have on his blippy hat? No. Come on. All right, y'all. So we just made it to Walmart. All right, y'all. So we are back at Walmart. We have to get some more groceries, even though we was just here 3 days ago. I got some big back kids, so yeah. Yep. Y'all do got some big bags.
Get Oreos.
What else y'all getting?
I don't know.
What box of chips y'all getting?
I didn't even get my bag at Target.
You better go get them.
What the? Since they don't have red, I think I would get blue. 'Cause I don't really like blue, but let's just get blue. 'Cause, yeah. They didn't have red, so I just got blue. This is our cart right now, y'all. Say hi, Oop. No. Okay, y'all. So now we're going to the clothes aisle pajamas for us. I wish they had this in my size. 'Cause that's cute. Can I get it?
Do you want it?
Yeah. I don't really care. I'm getting it because I like glow. I like glow stuff. I think I'm gonna need this. I'm gonna need this one. Right here. So yeah. Now we just left out of Walmart. We about to pick the bags up right now.
Hopefully don't none of this stuff falls out. Gotta put Legacy in the car.
Come on.
Something falling.
Don't
Okay.
the bubble.